This month alone, I have secured 3 leases by having ButterflyMX give me the ability to give tenants access to see the apartment a second or third time with their parents or their spouses, and it really has helped me do my job and secure a deal. Hi, I'm Xuereb from PX Enterprises. I started in this industry as a super, which I spent 10 years doing, and a manager for 12. Now I'm with my own company, which provides all the other essential services that day-to-day management doesn't provide, such as installing ButterflyMX, project management, cleaning service, brokerage. It's a one-stop shop where you can get everything you need for your real estate. Before ButterflyMX, I think every day I have dealt with 1 to 4 different issues of access, whether it was an exterminator, a plumber. We have small buildings, so the supers are not live-in, they're not there. So we had a lot of these scheduling issues. So every day I was dealing with something, and we used to do a lot of lock boxes with keys, but then keys went missing. Now that's not a problem anymore. We've started with the ButterflyMX video intercoms first, then we quickly expanded to cameras and keypads. We're at probably 150 keypads installed across the 75 buildings. The biggest selling point, I think, for our tenants is the security ButterflyMX provides. Like yesterday, for example, I had an incident. So what happened? I just said to them, this is what happened. Somebody let this person in. This person took the packages. I'm so sorry. Here's the footage for your report. 20 minutes, the whole incident. 95% of the time, I can resolve it remotely. In the past, that would have been days. A lot of residents, whether it's co-op, condo, or rentals, they want results. They want, even if you're giving them bad news, they want a result. I think ButterflyMX helps me give them that result. A lot of owners are hesitant to change because, people they're not used to change. I think the ease of access of not having physical keys has been the biggest response I got. So somebody right now in this building can go down and up without having to use keys at all. ButterflyMX has transformed my whole day in a sense that I can now multitask, which is what this industry these days requires a person like me to do. This industry is getting tougher, and I have to multitask to survive and be successful. I'm trying to take PX Enterprises to the next level, and ButterflyMX helps me get there.